It's been about 5 days of significant price gains for the world's largest cryptocurrency, and that is despite the overall gloom in the macro environment. On Wednesday, the U.S. Federal Reserve announced a 75 basis points interest rate hike to combat the 40-year high inflation. GDP data also showed that the U.S. economy shrank in the second quarter of 2022, the second consecutive quarter of the U.S. economy shrinking. Neither the GDP report nor talks of recession have had a negative effect on Bitcoin's price. In fact, they seem to have bolstered its price. From $21,500 on July 27, Bitcoin gained over $3,000, rising to a peak of $24,520 3 days later. This spike also improved market sentiments. On July 30, the Crypto Fear and Greed Index jumped to 42 after hitting an unprecedented low of 6 in June. As of press time, there has been a slight dip, and we seem to be back to the consolidation phase. Regardless, Bitcoin and other top cryptocurrencies seem to be holding on pretty well amid the gloomy macro environment. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap, has also made some decent price gains in the past week. As of press time, the native token of the Ethereum blockchain has gained over 60% in the past month and is now trading above $1,700. All things considered, the crypto market is in a really good place, and we're finally leaving behind talks of 80 or 85% drops to $10,000. In recent tweets, anonymous Bitcoin, Plan B, and on-chain analyst Willy Woo examine the recent trends in the crypto market and what investors can expect going forward. Please watch, like, and share this video, and don't forget to drop your comments and observations in the comment section below. Let's dive right in. In one of Plan B's recent tweets, he talks about the recent price gains despite all the uncertainty in the global economy. Here is the tweet. The bad news is everybody expects inflation, recession, and bad macro. In fact, markets expect things to be as bad as the 2008 global financial crisis and 2020 COVID. The good news is this expectation is already priced in. That's why rates are high and stocks and Bitcoin are low. The notorious dark blue region occurs when Bitcoin is 70% below its all-time high. There has only been a handful in its history. If Bitcoin recaptures the upper $24,000 range, we could finally be leaving the dark blue in the crypto bear market. With the recent price gains, that could happen in a matter of days. But whatever assurance we get from the recent gains is still slightly dampened by the bad macro environment. Let us know what you think in the comment section below. With the recent price gains, Bitcoin's price is also back above the realized price. Plan B celebrates this in another tweet with a chart showing a return to the light blue region. Bitcoin back above realized price light blue. I like it, the former institutional investor stated in his tweet. In his most recent tweet, Plan B predicts a Bitcoin bounce to follow the recent price gains in the U.S. stock market. V-shaped bounce in the S&P 500 Bitcoin to follow. Plan B asks his 1.8 million Twitter followers. The S&P 500 is now back above $4,000. Since it fell from the crucial threshold in early June, it has stayed between $3,600 and $3,900. After the Fed's announcement on Wednesday, the popular U.S. stock market index also recorded some decent price gains. It gained over 4% last week and is now trading at $4,130. The S&P fell from $4,000 in the same period. Bitcoin fell from $30,000. With the stock market index back above $4,000, could Bitcoin be next to recapture its early June price? Let us know what you think in the comment section. On-chain analyst Willy Woo also recently shared a chart of Bitcoin's bear market accumulation on Twitter. Bitcoin bear market accumulation visualize, the tweet reads, "It's one for my private collection. Use it at your own discretion to time your generational bottom entry." Willy Woo's Bitcoin accumulation chart shows previous capitulation events and bear market bottoms. According to the chart, we may have left behind the bottom of this cycle's bear market, but we are still in a great place for accumulation. What do you think about these tweets and the recent trends in the crypto market? Do you think we come to the end of the bear market and can now look forward to massive price gains? Please drop your comments and observations in the comment section below.
Today's episode is sponsored by iTrust Capital, the #1 crypto IRA platform in America. We allow you to invest in your favorite cryptocurrencies without worrying about taxes. That's right, iTrust Capital allows you to buy and sell your favorite cryptocurrencies completely tax-free. That means if you invest $10,000 into Cardano and it grows to $100,000, all of your profits are tax-free. Why is it tax-free? We took the existing retirement account industry and flipped it on its head. Instead of boring stocks and bonds, you can invest in crypto. How is it secured? Through Coinbase Custody, one of the leading cold storage providers with a $320 million insurance policy to protect against theft, hacks, and loss of funds. roll over your existing retirement account, or even start a new one from scratch. Questions? Schedule a free call with one of our crypto retirement account specialists, and they can help you discuss your options. Start your crypto IRA today and retire early, only at iTrust Capital. Click the link in the description to open a free account now.
Also, ensure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Everything helps with the YouTube algorithm, so we can keep bringing you these videos. Thanks for watching.